Welcome back. Now food come from stomach to small intestine. Here this is called duodenum. The duodenum wall secrete an enzyme called bicarbonate ion which convert medium into alkaline. The food is in stomach in acidic medium. Now the food goes in alkaline medium, that is basic. We learn about liver. Liver secrete bile juice which contain two enzymes, bile salt and bile pigment. Bile salt and bile pigment both convert medium basic or alkaline and also break down fats. It means the digestion of fat start from small intestine. Now pancreas. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice which contain two enzymes, trypsin which break down protein, lipase which break down emulsified fats. Emulsified means breaked. Emulsified means break. This one, liver, bile juice break fats, and that break fats is further break by lipase, that is called emulsified fats. Now food is in small intestine. These two secretion is in small intestine. Food not goes to liver or pancreas. Now small intestine, intestinal juice is secreted by small intestinal wall. It is also called succus entericus, which completed the digestion of carbohydrate, fats and protein. Break down carbohydrate into glucose, protein into amino acid and fats into fatty acid and glycerol. Here digestion completed. The digested food is now absorbed by the same in small intestine because it is very long. Now absorption of digested food takes place in small intestine with the help of villi. Villi, a small finger-like projection inside the small intestine which increases the surface area of the small intestine for the absorption of digested food. Then undigested food from small intestine goes to large intestine where only the absorption of water takes place with the help of villi. It means villi is also present in large intestine.